Hey guys, what's up? Dumelang, how are you guys doing? Wherever you are today, I am reacting to one of the biggest artists to come out of Botswana, and yeah, that's just it, man. Ezra, Neethings, Tsela. Hey, for those of you who don't understand TSWANA, don't worry. I am going to try to I'm going to try to translate for you guys. So you're in good hands, okay? Ezra, Neethings, Tsela. Is Tsela. You hear me speaking in proper Setswana? Don't come after me saying, hey, way. Anyway, let's see. Tsela means this road. For those of you who do not understand, let's just minimize ourselves there. And let's go. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. That's a voice note from the grandma there. She's proud that, you know, the grandson decided to call on his own, so she's proud. These guys don't call grandmas, man.
I keep on a chance ya pop, I keep on a chance ya pop a gaita. Gonna mean I'm gonna start up things, big things that the Gangnam style. I get all you, get right Tsela. Gremilona kana raitsa, I reakakala. Tsela kana telele kupa.
Yo, so many things. I forgot that I have to translate for you guys who do not speak Setswana. So basically, he's like, you know, if I get a chance to make a lot of money, I am going to do that. But because this road that we are working on, it's very long. Look at me just like mumbling through. Anyway, that's basically, you get it. You get it.
Every day I be really grinding, no sleepy days. It be any day, sunny day, rainy day.
Hey, with the rhyme.
Why would I give up? Tell me, why would I give up? Till I can I telele kupam pulele di khoro again. I said la cam on set take ponele kamata till I can I telele kupam pulele di khoro again. I said la cam on set take ponele kamata.
Yo, man, the video quality on this, I forgot I even have to like tell you guys what's going on here. So
know when they've been viewed and know when you're paid. Anytime.
Okay, what's going on? All right. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, I forgot that I have to tell you guys what's going on, and now YouTube ads are up there. So Ezra Neethings, and this song is, I mean, I don't know what to say. It's beautiful. The video quality, obviously, and he's been consistent with his music. He's been consistent with video making, very very professional. So yeah, man. I should react to more of his songs. I have actually, if you have been paying attention, I've reacted to, I think two or three of his music. So he's, yeah, big guy, big guy. So please go check out his YouTube page as well. Subscribe to his YouTube page and watch his other videos as well, because the quality that he's putting out, he's not playing around. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I'll be back with another bang, so do not go anywhere.